Question is given m times m times m divided by m plus m is equal to 6. So we have to find out the value of m here. How we can find out the value of m in this question? Let's see solution. M times m divided by m plus m is equal to 6. This is question, right? So we can do here one thing. M times m, that is m square, times m, that is m cube. So it will become m cube divided by m plus m, it will become 3m, right, is equal to 6. Now we can do here cross multiplication. So after doing cross multiplication, we will get here m cube is equal to 6 times 3m, right? Now m cube is equal to 6 3s are 18m. Now m cube is equal to 18m, so we can convert this equation in like this way: m cube minus 18m is equal to 0. Now we can take common here m, so we are taking common here m, so left term, that is m square minus 18 is equal to 0, right? Now we got here two equation. First one is m equal to 0, or next one is m square minus 18. M square minus 18 is equal to 0. Now m equal to 0, so this will be rejected because m is not equal to 0 in this question. So this is rejected, so we can reject this one, so rejected. Now next equation is m square minus 18 equal to 0. So m square minus 18 equal to 0. So here we can do one thing, that is m square minus this 18, we can write 9 2s are 18 equal to 0. Now this is square form, so we have to convert this 9 times 2 in square form. So we can write this one m square minus 9. So this 9 we can write 3 square, that is 9, and here this is 2, so square root of 2 whole square. So 3 square is 9 and square root of 2 square, that is square is cancelled from square root, so it will become 2. So 9 2s are 18 equal to 0. Now this is the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to, this is formula, a plus b times a minus b. Now we have to substitute this value in this form because this is formula. So here we can, when we are converting this form, we will get here m minus this one, m minus 3 square root of 2, first one, and next one is m plus 3 square root of 2 equal to 0. A minus b, a plus b, or a plus b, a minus b, right? Now so here again we will get here two equation. First one is m minus 3 square root of 2 equal to 0. This one equal to 0. Or next one is m plus 3 square root of 2 equal to 0. M plus 3 square root of 2 equal to 0. Now from here we can say m is equal to 3 square root of 2. This is the positive value of m here. Or m equal to, from this one, m equal to minus 3 square root of 2. This is the negative value of m. So we got here two value of m, that is first one is positive and next one is negative. Now let's verify is this correct or not. Now question is m times m divided by m plus m is equal to 6. This is question. Now we have to substitute this value, first one, this positive value, so 3 square root of 2. So we can mention here if m is equal to 3 square root of 2. So here 3 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2 times 3 square root of 2 divided by 3 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. We have to verify this value is equal to 6. Right? Now 3 times 3 times 3. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So we can write this one 27 times square root of 2 square root of 2. So it will become 2. Right? Square root of 2 whole square you can write here. So square root of 2 whole square times square root of 2 divided by. Next one is 3 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. So it will become 9. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 square root of 2. Question mark 6. Now square is cancelled from square root here. So here it will become 27 times 2 times square root of 2 divided by here 9 square root of 2 question mark 6. Now square root of 2 cancel from square root of 2. 9 3s are 27 we can say. So 3 2s are 6 is equal to 6. So here we can say LHS is equal to RHS. So value of M equal to 3 square root of 2. This is correct solution. Now we have to verify for negative value. So negative value is M is equal to, we can mention here if M is equal to minus 3 square root of 2. Now we have to substitute this value. So minus square root of 2, sorry minus 3 square root of 2 times minus 3 square root of 2 times minus 3 square root of 2 divided by minus 3 square root of 2 plus minus 3 square root of 2 plus minus 3 square root of 2 question mark 6. Now again 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. So minus minus plus and plus minus minus. So it will become here minus 27 square root of 2 whole square times square root of 2 divided by 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. So it will become here minus 9 square root of 2. Now we can cancel this minus from this minus. Square is cancelled from square root 2 is cancelled from square root of 2. So here 9 3s are 27 and here 3 times 2. So we can say here question mark 6, 3 2s are 3 times 2 question mark 6. So 3 2s are 6 is equal to 6. So here again LHS is equal to RHS. So we can say here value of M is equal to minus 3 square root of 2. This is also correct solution for this equation. So we got here two solution for M, that is first one is 3 square root of 2 positive value and second one is minus 3 square root of 2 that is negative value. Thank you.